Today we'll be talking about the history of personality in psychology. There have been many differing opinions on what influences personality throughout the world and throughout time. One example is Hippocrates, who thought that physiology determined personality. He thought that personality was based on your balance of phlegm, blood, and yellow and black bile. Other examples include Chinese medicine, which based personality on the 5 elements, and Hindi Ayurvedic medicine, which based personality on principles called doshas. Freud had his own personality theory and thought that personality was based on conflict among 3 structures of the mind, the id, ego, and superego. Allport looked more at traits and thought they were influenced by both childhood experiences and our current environments. Galton also looked at traits and thought that our most important differences would be reflected in language. To figure out the most important personality traits, researchers skimmed dictionaries to find all the descriptive words and condensed them to create a manageable set of traits. One way of organizing personality traits is the Big 5 factor model. All people follow a continuous distribution and fall somewhere between the 2 extremes of each trait. An alternative to the Big 5 model is the hexagon model, which has a 6th trait called honesty-humility. The number of traits is often debated as traits overlap and are hard to distinguish. One conflict that's a part of many personality theories is the person-situation debate. This argues the relative importance of personality traits in comparison to situational influences when determining behavior. But now that we have all these theories, how do we measure personality? One example is the Rorschach test. Another example is the free association test. Finally, by far the most famous personality test is the Myers-Briggs test. Through questions, this test places you into one of 16 personality categories. While people love this test because the results are positive and vague enough to apply to everyone, people just don't fit into boxes. While fun, this test doesn't have any real scientific value. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching!